Hello guys, good afternoon. 2:35 here in Abu Dhabi, so it's 6:35 in the Philippines. I think, yeah, it's 4 hours advance. So now I'm going to cook pancit. I'm going to show you how to cook pancit in my way. It's just a simple dish only that I'm going to cook today because we have visitors later. They have prayer meeting here in the room. So, see you guys. Bye-bye. So, this is it, guys. This is the Chinese noodles. And we have the carrots. And we have also the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper. And we have the short beans or the baggy beans. And we have the cabbage here. So, these are the ingredients for the pancit. And of course, we have also the chicken. Piliin natin yung mga buto-buto para mas malinamnam siya. Yan. We have also the onion and the garlic. Oops. Okay. Yan. And we have also here the oil, the oyster sauce, and then chicken, and then magic syrup, and then iodized salt, and then the black pepper. Yan. Yan pa po yung mga kasali sa ingredients natin. So, let's start! Carrots, the beans, and then the red and black bell pepper, and then the onion, and the chicken. Pinili natin yung bone na chicken kasi mas nandun yung lasa. Tapos yung cabbage, and then yung Chinese noodles. Yan. So, all. Ayan guys, while waiting for the chicken po na maluto, nagko-coffee muna ako. Ali cafe guys. Ayan, kasi naantok talaga ako. I slept 3 a.m. already ng madaling araw na nga. So, ayan, coffee. Kailangan ko I have to cook pancit kasi we have visitors later. Because of the prayer time later, you know. Yan. Sarap, guys.
seryoso yung bagay-bagay. Kasi pag sa kalan lang, mismong kalan lang ha, pag na may dumi yung kalan, sinong nagluto? Bakit nagdumi yung kalan? Bakit ganito?
Putok yan agad.
Gagalit agad ako. Tapos tatanungin ko, sino nagluto? Ito, witness siya. Ikaw nagluto. Kasi talagang susugurin ko kung sino nagluto.
Say hi, tita. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. We're having movie. Hi. We're going to watch Minions. We close the lights. Annyeong. So, hi, guys. Ayan, guys. Tapos na yung cooking ko, and then nakain na nila. They already eat the food, and then we've enjoyed this night kasi may mga kids. Tapos yun, nanood kami ng TV sa kusina, then kumakain sila habang nag-sharing sila. So ayun, guys, sana nagustuhan niyo yung cooking show ko. I hope you like it, guys. Till next time, maggagawa ulit ako ng video for that, for another dish na I'm going to cook. Then thank you, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.